For this song we start with an F chord. So this is a normal F bar chord where we have first fret, third fret, third, second, first, and first. And if this is too difficult for you, you can use the thumb to play the thickest string. Or you can just not play the thickest string at all. And after the F chord, we go to C. So here we have mute the thickest string. And then we have third fret, second fret, open, first, open. And then we play a B flat bar chord, which is just moving this F shape up to the 6th fret. So we have 6th fret, 8th, 8th, 7th, and then 6th. So we play F for one measure, and then we go to C for one measure, and then we go to B flat for 2 measures. And that's basically the whole song. And the strumming pattern that we're going to use here is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. But you don't need to be super strict about this. You can also try different strumming patterns. If we use this, it's gonna sound like this. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, Now, if you really don't want to use bar chords, you can instead put the capo on the 3rd fret, and we can play D to A, and then to G. So that would sound like this.